Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Saladin Abdisa Mazalaya, number 32, class 10-3. First of all, before beginning my speech, I would like to thank for all of my friends, especially Miss Wilda, for giving me opportunity to speech. I would like to talk about should final action be deleted. Final action is activity carried and routinely by every school at each semester. The main purpose of the final action is to evaluate learning carried about teacher and student during one semester. Through this final action, teacher can assist and measure the understanding of the lesson material, as well as find out can extend and of student understanding lesson material that has been delivered during one semester. Apart from that, the result of the final action can be used to determine student to completion and file out the report card as to parent regarding their child learning during one semester. There are benefits final exam for student. First one, appreciating the importance of time. Student who will take the exam must the time when the exam schedule will be held, and student must be smart in manage of time to study on that week. 2. Understand the importance of studying. If student want to get a good score, then they have to study. If they don't learn, remediation can be granted. If the material study comes to during the test, it will be a joy for student, and there we will sense of pride that they high marks. 3. Have a sense, honestly and responsibility. Through the final exam, student must be responsible and they have learning so far at sanction for cheating. So learning is must. If you cheat in during an exam, student are ready to receive section for cheating. In this way, student will understand that way we will must to responsible for what they have are done. 4. Knowing how to achieve achievement. Through this final exam, student can find out the step on how to achieve the best achievement in term getting and high grades, so that have to opportunity become class champion. So final exam does not need to be deleted because it's a very important activity, especially for a student. That is what I can say. Apologize if I said something wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Raihan Latif Hakim. I'm from class 10-3, number 29. Today I like to address the question: does short homework be deleted completely? Homework has long been a staple of the education system, serving for use purposes as reinforcing classroom learning and fostering independent study habit. However, it also been a source of contention with concerns about its impact on student well-being and equity. It's time for us to reevaluate of role of homework in education. We must consider its benefits and drawbacks, as well as alternative approaches to achieve the desired educational outcomes will promoting student well-being. Let's engage in thoughtful discussion, weighing the evidence and perspective for educators, parents, and students. Together, we can find a balanced solution that prioritizes both academic achievement and the holistic development of our students. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutia Alexandra Andirati from class 10-3. Today I will talk about my opinion about artificial intelligence or AI. Certainly you are familiar with AI because we have used it without realizing it. AI is computer system or machine that can think and work like humans. In my opinion, the examples of AI has bad impact. Here are some the impact. First, the number job is increases because the laboratory is replaced by machine. So the job is fantastic increases smaller. And secondly, AI makes intense so the job you must in replace crisis thinking. And the last, privacy data is treated with insecurity. So in my opinion, you should be vigilant and wise in use and not be dependent on AI. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us thanks for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His mercy, we can gather in this place in good health. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sabina Yuni Astuti. I'm from 10-3 and my number is 31. Ladies and gentlemen, education is not solely about acquiring knowledge and skills, but also preparing students for the complexity of the real world. In today's society, we live and work alongside individuals that has diverse perspective, background, and gender. Today, I stand before you to delve into a topic that has ignited passion in educational. Are single-gender school better than mixed-gender school? As we explore this issue, it is essential to consider the multifaceted nature of education and recognize the value of creating inclusive environment that embrace diversity. First and foremost, mixed-gender school provide a realistic representation of the society we live in. Students can learn to coexist, collaborate, and develop healthy relationships with individuals from various backgrounds. This is enabling them to become a well-rounded individual. Research conducted by the American Association of University Women has shown that mixed-gender schools exhibit greater empathy and have higher self-esteem. In mixed-gender school, students are exposed to various perspectives and ideas. This diversity fosters a vibrant learning where students can engage in robust discussion and develop critical thinking skills. According to the study published in the British Journal of Educational Psychology, mixed-gender schools promote cognitive growth and enhance problem-solving abilities due to the exposure to diverse viewpoints. Mixed-gender schools provide equal opportunities for all students. By eliminating gender-based segregation, the school ensures every student can access the same resource, facilities, and educational opportunities. This inclusive environment promotes gender equality and empowers students to pursue their passion without limitation or stereotypes. Lastly, mixed-gender schools promote healthy competition and cooperation. Students can learn from each other's strengths and weaknesses. This interaction fosters a sense of friendship and encourage students to strive for excellence. It teaches them that success is not limited by one gender, but attainable through dedication, hard work, and collaboration. In conclusion, mixed gender school offer numerous benefits for us. By creating inclusive environment that embrace diversity, this school preparing students for the reality world and equip them with necessary skills to thrive in a global society. Let the power of co-education continue supporting mixed gender school, fostering an environment that values and respect every individual, regardless of gender. So, that's the end of my speech. If there is any mistake, I do apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.